Hello, from Namecheap and EasyWP. Today, we'll show you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress site, unlocking powerful insights to optimize your website's performance. As a WordPress user, you're probably familiar with the vast array of plugins and tools available to help you optimize your site. But have you considered monitoring your WordPress site with Google Analytics? Integrating Google Analytics with your WordPress website lets you gain detailed insights into your site's performance, including traffic sources, page views, bounce rates, and more. This information can help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your site for better engagement and conversions. First, if you don't already have a Google Analytics account, go to analytics.google.com and sign up for a free account. Next, install a Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. One of the most popular is Google Site Kit, developed by the team at Google. Install and activate the plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Once the plugin is installed, go to the settings page and connect it to your Google Analytics account. There's a built-in wizard that walks you through every step of setting up Google Analytics 4, GA4, and will even test to make sure the code is properly installed. Once you have installed and activated the Google Site Kit plugin, the setup wizard will guide you through the process of connecting your site to Google Analytics. First, click on Start Setup to begin the process. Sign in with your Google account to grant the necessary permissions. Grant the required permissions to allow SiteKit to access your Google Analytics data. Next, select the Google Analytics account and property you want to link to your WordPress site. Complete the setup by following the remaining prompts. The wizard will ensure that the tracking code is properly installed on your site. Once the setup is complete, you can view your Google Analytics data directly within your WordPress dashboard, making it easy to track and analyze your site's performance. You can use the same plugin to integrate your site with Google Search Console. Click the link to our article for info on other Google integrations available in WordPress. By taking advantage of these integrations, you can unlock a whole new level of functionality and insights, all while streamlining your workflow and improving the user experience for your site visitors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy optimizing!